You could do it. Uh-oh. You could do it, baby. Come here. Go ahead, get another one, baby. Good job, Quinn. Yeah, you did it. Gotta take that one out. Come here. You gotta take it out. You gotta take this one out. Good girl. Now go ahead, put another one in there. That one's upside down, baby. Turn it around. Good girl. Turn it around. Uh-oh. Go ahead. You could do it. I know you can. Come here, Aubrey. Come on. You could do it. You could do it. Go ahead. That one? That looks like a good one. Turn it around. Turn it. It's okay. Good girl. Do you need help? Here. Help. Push it. You gotta take that one out then, baby.